The British royals have had their pick of lavish palaces and castles to call home, but now Prince William and his family are leaving their London mansion for a more rural cottage, close to where the Queen has lived since the pandemic began.
Located within the grassy embrace of Windsor Home Park, a stone's throw from the majestic Windsor Castle, lies the Adelaide Cottage, a residence that whispers tales of regal retreats and intimate royal moments. This enchanting abode, now the cherished home of Prince William and Princess Kate, offers a glimpse into a world where history and modernity dance in harmonious elegance. As we embark on this journey, prepare to be captivated by the cottage's architectural allure, both inside and out. We'll unveil the stories etched into its walls, from its origins as a royal retreat to its current role as a family sanctuary. So, allow your imagination to run wild as we take you through its picturesque gardens, captivating rooms adorned with nautical motifs and timeless elegance, and discover how this cottage seamlessly blends the charm of yesteryears with the vibrancy of contemporary royal life. Join us as we unlock the doors to Adelaide Cottage, revealing the secrets and splendors that make it a true jewel in the Crown's estate. Adelaide Cottage was built in 1831 for Queen Adelaide, the wife of King William IV. Designed by renowned architect Geoffrey Wyatville, the cottage reflects the picturesque style, blending rustic charm with regal elegance. It was intended as a private retreat, offering Queen Adelaide a peaceful escape from the formalities of court life. During Queen Victoria's reign, Adelaide Cottage became a favored spot for morning breakfasts and afternoon teas. The secluded location and idyllic surroundings made it an ideal retreat for the young queen, who often sought solace in Windsor's expansive grounds. In the 20th century, the cottage gained historical significance due to the relationship between Group Captain Peter Townsend and Princess Margaret. Townsend, an equerry to King George VI, resided at Adelaide Cottage, and it was here that his romance with Princess Margaret blossomed. It was loved at first sight, as the Margaret would admit later on in life. She was only a teenager then, and Townsend was 15 years her senior. But as they say, age is just a number. However, due to royal constraints and societal expectations, their love story did not result in marriage. The major obstacle was Townsend's status as a divorcee. The marriage would have been controversial and marred Margaret's royal status, given the Church of England's stance on marrying a divorcee. Margaret chose duty over love, and their love story faded away like a flower in summer, marking one of the most poignant royal romances of the era. Adelaide Cottage exemplifies the picturesque architectural style designed to blend harmoniously with its natural surroundings. Architect Geoffrey Wyatville incorporated elements that emphasized charm and informality, such as ornamental thatching, elaborate chimney stacks, and Gothic-inspired detailing. The cottage also features materials repurposed from John Nash's Royal Lodge, further linking it to Windsor's architectural heritage. A key feature of the cottage's interior is its master bedroom ceiling, adorned with gilded dolphins and rope decoration, a nautical motif believed to have been inspired by the royal yacht. These intricate details add to the residence's unique character, reflecting the craftsmanship of the era. Recognized for its historical and architectural significance, Adelaide Cottage holds a Grade 2A listing on the National Heritage List for England. This designation ensures its preservation, acknowledging its importance within the royal estate and as a piece of Britain's rich architectural legacy. Now serving as the residence of Prince William and Princess Kate, Adelaide Cottage continues its legacy as a private royal home, steeped in history and intertwined with the monarchy's most intimate moments. Adelaide Cottage has a charming stone exterior that blends naturally with its surroundings. The roof features steep, pointed gables that give the house a cozy yet elegant look. Decorative woodwork trims the edges of the roof and windows, adding a touch of detail that makes the cottage feel both quaint and stylish. These features reflect the picturesque style, designed to create a beautiful and relaxing home rather than a grand or formal one. The cottage is surrounded by lovely gardens with carefully arranged plants and trees. Tall, old oak trees stand around the home, providing shade, privacy, and a sense of history. Their presence enhances the cottage's peaceful and secluded feel. The property is located within Windsor Home Park, not far from Windsor Castle. This location makes it an ideal retreat, offering a quiet escape while still being close to the heart of royal life. The surrounding parkland adds to the cottage's beauty, creating an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. One of the most special features of Adelaide Cottage is its wide verandas. These covered outdoor spaces provide a perfect spot to relax while enjoying views of the beautiful landscape. They also blend seamlessly with the cottage's overall design, adding to its charm. No wonder Peter Townsend was often found chilling in this spot while he took in the breathtaking scenery of the cottage. More recently, Prince William and Kate Middleton chose Adelaide Cottage as their family home, valuing its privacy and proximity to Windsor Castle. The property's verandas and landscaped gardens offer the couple and their children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, a peaceful outdoor space to relax and enjoy nature. Over the years, the cottage has retained its original character, with small historical markers around the property serving as reminders of its long connection to the royal family. Every element of Adelaide Cottage, from its charming design to its peaceful surroundings, contributes to its reputation as a special and historic royal retreat. It remains a beautiful reminder of Britain's architectural heritage while continuing to serve as a private sanctuary for the royal family. Now, let's take a cursory tour of the Adelaide Cottage's interior, where creativity seamlessly blends historical charm with modern comfort. Each interior space reflects a thoughtful balance between the cottage's rich heritage and the contemporary needs of its royal inhabitants. Entrance Hall. Upon entering, guests are greeted by a welcoming ambiance that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The flooring, possibly original or carefully restored, showcases the timeless elegance characteristic of early 19th century design. The walls are likely adorned with subtle, period-appropriate decor, maintaining the cottage's warm and inviting atmosphere. Soft lighting, antique furnishings, and perhaps a vintage hall table with fresh floral arrangements complete the space, offering a glimpse into the traditional yet livable style of the residence. Living spaces. The formal living room exudes serenity with its soft pastel tones, gilded furniture, and curated artwork. A Greco-Egyptian marble fireplace serves as a focal point, complemented by plush armchairs and antique wooden side tables. Delicate ceiling moldings and floral arrangements enhance the room's elegance, creating an inviting atmosphere that bridges tradition and modernity. The Grand Lounge offers a more dramatic ambience, featuring large wall tapestries depicting historical scenes above a monumental stone fireplace. Tall, carved columns frame the space, while earthy tones dominate the furniture. Plush armchairs, cozy sofas, and rich rugs come together to form a welcoming yet regal aesthetic. Natural light filters through large windows, adding to the airy and comfortable feel of the space. Master bedroom. The principal bedroom is notable for its unique ceiling, adorned with gilt dolphins and ropes, repurposed from the royal yacht HMY Royal George. This nautical motif adds a touch of royal maritime history to the space. The room also features a marble Greco-Egyptian fireplace, exemplifying the Regency era's fascination with classical design elements. The furnishings likely include an elegant four-poster bed, rich drapery, and antique side tables, creating a refined yet comfortable retreat. Additional bedrooms. The additional bedrooms maintain the cottage's blend of intimacy and majesty. One room showcases a canopy bed draped in floral fabric, complemented by matching curtains and soft upholstery, evoking Victorian-style design. Another bedroom features art-filled walls, including a large religious oil painting displayed above the fireplace. The room's green walls, paired with intricately detailed furniture, create a harmonious balance of color and texture. A third bedroom, possibly intended for children, may have a more playful yet traditional decor style, with pastel-colored walls, vintage wooden furnishings, and small decorative touches that make the space feel warm and inviting. Kitchen and dining areas. The kitchen embodies rustic charm with exposed wooden beams on the ceiling, muted green cabinetry, and a farmhouse-style sink. Terracotta floor tiles add warmth, and a small wooden dining table creates a cozy space for informal meals. This area exemplifies simplicity without sacrificing style, making it a central hub for family life. In contrast, the formal dining room exudes elegance with green walls and high-arched ceilings, creating a sense of openness. A white carved marble fireplace anchors the space, while a polished wooden table, surrounded by intricately carved chairs, invites formal dinners and royal gatherings. Large windows flood the room with natural light, enhancing its regal yet welcoming vibe. Bathrooms. While specific details about the bathrooms are not publicly disclosed, it is reasonable to infer that they blend modern amenities with traditional design elements. Luxurious features such as deep soaking tubs, marble countertops, and vintage-inspired fixtures may be present, ensuring comfort while maintaining the historical aesthetic of the home. Overall, Adelaide Cottage's interiors reflect a harmonious blend of historical significance and contemporary living, providing a comfortable and elegant home for the royal family. In 2015, Adelaide Cottage underwent significant renovations to modernize its facilities while preserving its historical architecture. These updates ensured that the cottage met contemporary living standards without compromising its rich heritage. The renovations focused on integrating modern amenities essential for a comfortable family lifestyle. The kitchen was updated with state-of-the-art appliances, enhancing functionality while maintaining the cottage's traditional aesthetic. Similarly, the bathrooms were modernized to provide contemporary comforts, ensuring that the needs of a modern family were met. In 2022, the Prince and Princess of Wales, along with their children, moved into Adelaide Cottage. The residence's updated amenities, combined with its historical charm, offered an ideal environment that balanced royal traditions with the practical needs of a modern family. The 2015 renovations exemplify a thoughtful approach to heritage conservation, ensuring that Adelaide Cottage remains both a functional residence and a testament to its historical significance. Adelaide Cottage, the residence of the Prince and Princess of Wales, is safeguarded by comprehensive security measures designed to protect the royal family while respecting their privacy. These protocols include 24/7 on-site security personnel, advanced surveillance systems, and controlled access points to deter unauthorized entry. A dedicated gatehouse has been installed at the property's edge, serving as a base for the security team to monitor access and prevent unwanted visitors. Despite these precautions, security incidents have occurred. In October 2024, 2 masked intruders breached the Windsor Castle estate, where Adelaide Cottage is located, and targeted farm buildings near the royal residence. The thieves stole a pickup truck and a quad bike before fleeing the scene. At the time of the incident, the Prince and Princess of Wales and their children were reportedly asleep at Adelaide Cottage. No arrests have been made, and investigations are ongoing. In response to such incidents, security protocols are continually reviewed and enhanced to ensure the safety of the royal family. While specific details of these measures are confidential, they are designed to adapt to emerging threats and maintain a balance between necessary protection and the family's desire for privacy. And on that note, we draw the curtains on today's video. If you enjoyed our narration of Prince William and Princess Kate's Adelaide Cottage, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.